Hello and welcome. Today we'll demonstrate our case management agent built on Salesforce Agentforce. The agent streamlines service delivery by creating, updating, and providing real-time case tracking updates in seconds. Let's walk through a sample use case where I am a tenant in one of the properties managed by Kizzy Consulting and the heating system in my apartment isn't working. So I'd like to raise a case for the maintenance team to take care of. So once the agent identifies the intent of the message sent, it prompts me for various details such as email and phone address. Once providing the details, it will automatically fetch the contact details present in the system and finally addresses me by my name and creates a case for the same. So over here we can see that the case has been created and a case number has been allotted to us. Additionally, we can add the comments for the case. For example, I want to add my address and that I would like to get notified once the maintenance is scheduled. Finally, on the Salesforce side, you can see that the case has been created and the subject and the description has been auto-populated from the chat transcript. Additionally, we can see over here that the comment has also been added to the case. Now switching sides for the case tracking. Suppose a user wants to track their case that they previously created. Once a query is put up with the agent, it needs to identify me. On identification, the agent can either fetch my case details based upon the case number or it can fetch the case related to my contact details. Currently, we do not have the case number handy. Let our agent intelligently fetch our previous case. So now we can see that the case details have been provided and the case number is displayed over here. Additionally, we can also add comments if we want. Suppose we do not want to add right now. And this was all about our case management agent. Thanks.